In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then in this pop-up to disable location, select close, and to turn it on, hit turn on location. When I go back and check my shortcut, I can see that it's gray. That means that location is off, but you can always switch it on by hitting the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also just go into settings and scroll down to access location section. Then click on this switcher next to location access to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!